Okay, for this one, you're going to fold to basically make it into a skinny book. So, whenever you fold it like this, then you need to cut off this edge that hangs out, and you'll cut across the bottom. Okay, once you've got it like a really skinny book, and you did trim right on off under here, you're going to make it to where the top has flaps. Okay, so now we're ready to start filling out each one. This is going to be the notes that review how to find surface area and volume of all the different shapes that you're expected to know how to do. Okay, so first we'll just define what is surface area and what is volume. Okay, so open up that top flap. On the left side, write surface area. Okay, surface area covers the outside of a 3D figure. On your formula chart, in the section that says surface area, it's broken down into two different parts. So you have lateral and you have total. So whenever you go to work a surface area problem, you also need to decide, well, are they asking for all of the surface area, or are they only asking for part of it? So if they're only asking for part of it, that's going to be lateral, and that means just the sides. So it will be excluding, or not including, the two congruent bases. Lateral surface area is just around the sides of the 3D shape. And then of course total means all sides. Okay, so we're going to open up this next flap. We'll do this side over here last. So let's just stay with the surface area idea and fill out how we would get the surface area of this triangular prism. Okay, so surface area of a triangular prism, you're going to put lateral, and then over here you're going to put total, because there's two different formulas. And then we'll just label what each part of the formula means. For the lateral surface area of a triangular prism, write S equals PH. For total, write S equals PH plus 2B. Okay, you need to know that this P part that is in both of the formulas stands for perimeter of the base. Okay, you need to know that the H in both of the formulas stand for height of the prism. and the prism will not always be sitting on its base. Sometimes you have to like turn it in your head to be able to see the height going up. Okay, and then you need to know that this B, hopefully you know, stands for area of the base. Okay, moving on to a rectangular prism. You will have lateral and total. S equals PH, and S equals PH plus 2B. This is the same formula as what it was for the triangular prism, so just to make them different, we'll put the triangle for your triangular prism tab, and then on this one put the rectangle. So since we already wrote out what all those variables or all the letters stand for, you'll be able to look on this tab if you need it. So P is perimeter of the base, H is height of the prism, B is area of the base. Okay, to get the surface area of a cylinder, we still have lateral and total. Okay, so on your formula chart for lateral surface area of a cylinder, it says S equals 2 pi RH. For total, it says, oh, it's long, so write little, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. Okay, so y'all know that you fill in 3.14 for pi. So point to the R. We'll just do it like this. I'll put a little dot. So R stands for radius. And I'll draw a picture right there that shows that the radius just goes halfway through the circle. The only other one that we have would be the height of the cylinder. Oh, on this next one, it doesn't have a name. You're supposed to write spheres, or just sphere. We do not have to find the surface area of a sphere or a cone, so you can just mark these off. You're not expected to find surface area of a sphere or a cone, okay?